Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss different types of artificial intelligence agents. We will discuss all the types with the help of some easy examples and easy definitions so that everything will be clear to you in a better way. So this is our lecture number 62 in the series of AI. If you haven't watched the previous sessions, you can directly check the description box. I have already added the link there. So now let's just start the session. So basically students, we have total 5 types of agents in artificial intelligence where the first agent is simple reflex agent, second one is model based agent, third one is goal based agent, fourth is utility based agents and fifth is learning agents. Before moving to the detailed definition and examples, I would like to share with you some keywords that will help you get the concepts in an easier way. So the first type is simple reflex agent. Remember one thing, simple reflex agents are basically the rule based agents. That means they always follows the strict rules and they do not have any kind of memory. This is the keyword. Another type we have is model based agent. Its keyword is it uses memory of past. It uses memory of past. Another is goal based agent. Its keyword is it works toward the achieving goals. As its name implies, goal based agent. So it always focuses on achieving its goals. Fourth point is utility based agents. So under utility based agents, it always finds best and most useful solution. Fifth one is learning agent. As its name implies, it always learns and improves with time. Right? So all these are the keywords related to these 5 types of agents. Now let's discuss everything in detail. So here we have first one, simple reflex agent. So as we have discussed, it works on rules. It says if this happens, then do that. If it rains, then I will drink tea, I'll have a tea, right? It does not remember the past. It only looks at the current situation. That's why it is called simple reflex. For example, if I say, if the timer ends, switch to the green. If timer ends, your examination will automatically get submitted, right? If something happened, then I will do this. If I say, if I got more than 80% in my examination, then definitely I'll buy a car. Simple reflex agents, right? If someone comes near, door opens. That is the automatic doors. If we talk about traffic lights, if timer ends, in traffic lights we have timer, right? In the traffic light, if the timer ends, then switch to green. If timer ends, then again switch to red. This is a simple reflex agent that does not remember the past, only looks at the current situation. I hope everything is clear till now. With the help of all these examples, I try to simplify everything, right? Next we have is model based agents. So basically it uses internal memory. It uses internal memory, that is the model, to remember past situations. Like we can handle partial observable environments where it cannot see anything at once. Let's take an example so that everything will be easily understandable to you. So the first example can be your self-driving cars. It remembers last location of pedestrian to drive safely, right? Another example can be robot vacuum. It remembers which part of the room it has already cleaned. Another can be your game artificial intelligence. It always remembers where the enemy was last seen. So उसी basis पे उसका next move रहता है हमेशा, right? Next we have is goal based agents. So goal based agents works to achieve a specific goal. So goal based agents example can be your GPS navigation. Your GPS navigation works focuses on their goals, right? They helps you to reach your destination by choosing the best route. This is the goal based agents. Its another example can be chess AI. Its goal is to win the game, and to win the game it selects the best move. This is your goal based agents. Another can be your delivery robot. Its goal is to deliver your parcel at the easiest way, at the fastest way, sorry. So to deliver your parcel, it plans the shortest path. That is how goal-based agents always works. So it always chooses the actions that help in reaching that goal, not just the rule. Another is your utility-based agents. So utility-based agents basically goes beyond the goals. It always tries to maximize the happiness, maximize the benefits, maximize the utilities. As its name implies, utility based agents. It always helps us to maximize the utilities. It always chooses the best possible action among the many options. If we have so many options, so it has the power to choose the best optimal solution for you. For example, flight booking AI. Flight booking AI. So it finds flight that is cheapest and shortest in duration. Another example can be shopping boat. Its goal is to buy the product. If your goal is to buy the product, so shopping boat chooses cheapest and best quality products for you. Another is your smart smart thermostat. It adjusts the temperature for maximum comfort with minimum energy use. All these are the examples of utility based agents. Last point is learning agent. So it can learn from past experiences and improve its performance over time. Basically, learning agents have four parts. Learning agents have four parts. First one is your learning element. Let me write it here. It has four parts. First one is your learning element. Another is a performance element. Third point is critic element, and fourth point is problem generator. Clear? Learning agents example can be Alexa, Siri, Google Assistant. We all are using these days, right? So they learns your voice and preferences. According to your preferences and voice, they always gives you best results. Next is your spam filter in Gmail. It learns from new spam mails to block better. And third example can be your Netflix and YouTube AI. As you can see, YouTube AI and Netflix AI learns what you watch and suggests better recommendations. So all these are the examples of learning agents. I hope students everything is clear to you. If you have any doubts left, you can definitely share in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you want me to continue this series, then definitely you can share your feedback. Thank you so much.